All right, welcome back to my channel again. Okay, for some guys that don't know where their affiliate ID is, I'm going to show you where the ID is on this JVZOO account, how to find your JVZOO affiliate ID. In case if it's being requested in any place, you have to provide it immediately. Okay, right now let me show you how to find your JVZOO ID. You click, once you open your account, log in, then click on account, my account, click on account detail. Once you click your account detail, it will not take you to your account information or the whole information you have. Then you do your verification. Mine is inactive, security inactive. I have to use the app and do it, but I don't want to do it right away now. You have to do this KYC verification. Okay, if you have not done that, you have to do the start verification. I have done my own, but it's not still telling me to do again. I don't know. Okay, let me see what is going on here. No KYC request incoming such outgoing, which means I have done my only account that have not already completed that. Okay, mine it has been done, that's why it's speaking this big grammar. Okay, now this one is not part of my what I'm doing here now. Okay, data protection, this is your affiliate ID. You click on this, you can copy it. Okay, you can copy it and keep it somewhere, or anytime you wish to. Remember where to copy your affiliate ID in case it's being requested for you to use it for one integration or whatever. Okay, that is all for now. I'll show you, just to show you how to find your affiliate ID. Please do well to subscribe to our channel and also share and like, please. Thank you.